Welcome. In this use case, we want to show how Taylor wants to reserve a free meeting room. Taylor, who is gearing up for an important team brainstorming session next week, and he needs a well-equipped meeting room. He will need a room with top-notch video and voice conferencing facilities for a successful brainstorming session internally and inviting a guest or visitor. Now let's find the perfect spot for Taylor. On the meeting room and desk booking side, Taylor clicks on Desks and Rooms Reservations list. He will click on New. The booking form will load. The first thing that Taylor has to do is select the location. Now, this is a meeting which will take place in London. Locations are facilities, physical offices with resources. So Taylor is searching for a free meeting room in London. He will select the date and time. Let's select Friday the 10th. The start time and the end time is set automatically, but can be changed by Taylor at any time. For London, for the given date and time frame, all available free desks and the free meeting rooms, as well the free exchange rooms, are showing up. Now, he needs, of course, a meeting room which has the voice and conferencing, so he can use this very powerful keyword filtering to narrow down the search results. Let's see which desks or which meeting rooms matches the criteria voice conferencing. Taylor selects the room atlas. So the room atlas has everything what he needs. So he wants to book this meeting room in London. He can invite internal attendees just by Active Directory people. He can as well invite an external guest, right, by entering the email address of the external guest. The visitor will receive an invitation email with an automatically generated QR code, which is available in the email body. And the visitor can then just sign in by reading the QR code at the lobby or at the reception where the Visitor Management registration app is running. Once the visitor signs in by scanning the QR code, the visitors list will be updated with all the details, and the organizer, the host, will receive a notification that the visitor is on site. Taylor wants to ensure the visitor has a comfortable experience, so he selects coffee for the event. He indicates the quantity. The order total is updated. An image of the meeting room is shown. He also wants to book a free parking slot for the visitor. So these 4 parking spaces are available in London for the given date and time. He selects a free parking space. He could optionally add external devices that is needed, maybe not in the room itself, so he can select as well here the audio bridge. Now Taylor just checks all the form inputs that he has made: the room, the location, the date and time, the internal attendees for the meeting from Active Directory, the email address of the visitor, the catering item that he has booked for the event, the free parking slot for the visitor, and additionally an audio bridge for the event, and clicks on Save. Once it is saved, it is added with all the details to the desks and rooms reservation list. When I scroll to the right, you see the room is booked, not yet checked in. The room has catering items like coffee. The catering items are added for the event to an additional catering order list. From the catering order list, we trigger flows and notification to catering services. Internal or external email addresses can be provided. We have a parking slot for the visitor that has been booked and additional equipment. Now, behind the scene, the organizer receives the invitation email in the email body, and he can just, here is the email with the confirmation, and he can accept or deny. The invitation email will be sent as well to the internal attendees. They as well can accept or deny. And last but not least, it will be sent as well to the visitor, and the personal Outlook calendar of Taylor, as well the attendees, will be updated with all the details.